Want to add your favorite applications to the right-click context menu in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Open the Run dialog using the keys Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. In the Registry Editor window, on the search bar at the top, copy-paste the following location: HKey classes root, directory O background DOI shell. Within the shell key, create a subkey, subfolder. To do so, right-click on the shell key and then choose New Key. Name the newly created with the name that you want to be displayed on the context menu. For demonstration, we will add the Run window. You can add any application of your choice. Within the Run key, create a subkey named Command. To do so, right-click on the Run key and choose New Key and name it as Command. Now, minimize the Registry Editor and click on the Search button on the taskbar. Type the name of the required application. In this case, the Run app. Right-click on the Run and choose the Open File location. Locate the required application and click on it and choose Open File Location again. In the opening window, locate the required application and click on it. Once the app is selected, right-click on it. From the context menu, choose Copy as Path. In the Registry Editor window, within the Command folder, double-click on the Default key on the right-hand side. In the Edit String window that opens, under the Value Data section, enter the absolute path of the application. Click on the OK button. That's it, you will now be able to see the application in the context menu. Right-click on the desktop. In the context menu that shows up, click on Show More Options. In the appearing menu, you should be able to see the application that you added. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.